Yo, it's your boy, Ray Mabry, and I appreciate you joining me on today's episode where we're going to talk about winning when the market is crashing. That's right. When the market is crashing, going down, most people feel like, oh, I can't believe it. They're running for the hills, blood in the streets. Everybody starts to panic. Everybody starts to worry and stuff. But there are ways for you to win when the market is crashing, and we're going to touch on that real briefly today. But before I get started, let me update you guys on the 100K 100-day challenge. This particular week, I've had 3 losing days and 2 winning days. And you may say, well, already, that's not good. But out of those 2 winning days, today being one in particular, I made over 30% profit just in today's trading session. All right, and I'm done trading for the day, done trading for the week. It's Fridays. Fridays are referred to as trap days. So a lot of times people don't recommend that you trade on Fridays. But, I had 3 losing days, and the losses weren't huge, but they, at the same time, they were losing days. And so had 2 winners and 3 losers. But overall, my account is up during the week, for the week, over 30%. And I even made 30% just today in profits, all right? So that's one update. Also, I just want to tell you too that since I made this challenge public, I kind of felt a sense of pressure, added pressure, because just kind of like one of those things where when you're doing something, you got somebody observing you or watching you, or let's say you've been evaluated. Sometimes you have a tendency to tense up a little more, versus if nobody's watching. So having said that, I'm going to continue to do the challenge. However, I am not going to give weekly updates on the progress because once again, I just don't need to add that pressure to myself. Trading is already hard enough. So when you add that extra layer of, just kind of putting yourself out there and having to make a certain amount per day or per week, that just adds more stress and pressure. And that's not why I got into trading. I got into trading to, pretty much just kind of, do it for myself and not really be concerned, whether I win or lose. All right. So I did want to give you that update, but moving forward, starting next week, I will not give any more weekly updates on the progress. I'm still going to do it, but I'm not going to give any updates because once again, I don't want the pressure of having to, put myself out there whether I win or lose. Okay. 3 losing days, 2 winning days, but overall my account is definitely in the green this past week. So it's been a great trading week, and that's another good thing about it too. You're not going to win every trade. You're not going to win every trade. If anybody tells you their win rate is 80, 90%, run. All right, because I'm telling you, the way the markets are, as volatile as they are, trades can go against you real quickly. So it's very, very important that you cut your losses quick and you let your winners run. I'm sure you probably heard some people say that before too. And that's very, very important. That's why I was able to have 2 winning days and 3 losing days, but yet my account has grown over 30% for the week. And that's huge. Remember, guys, 30% is a great ROI, return on investment. A lot of these fund managers and your 401ks and stuff, a lot of people could be lucky if they get 8 to 10% per year. All right. And so I was able to get over 30% in 1 week. Okay. And not bragging, not boasting, because I stated before, I had some losing days this week too, but all in all, up for the week, and next week is going to be bigger and better, okay? Next thing, if you want to win in any market, today on Friday, June the 10th, the market is crashing. And one of the reasons why is because we had CPI, Consumer Price Index, come out today, and it was negative, as we projected and predicted it to be. So therefore, it caused the market to crash. I haven't checked before I got on the video, but last, I think it was down like 500-600 points, which, mean the Dow just means it's like $500-600, which is a lot significant in one particular trading day. And so I was able to catch the sale. Remember, you can make market on down. When the market is down, you can make money when the market is going down. And so I was able to short the market, sell. When you ever hear somebody say they're shorting the market, that means they're selling it. Some people went long, which means they try to buy it and, they either got stopped out or, they probably just kind of in drawdown, trying to hold the trades or whatever. Drawdown just means they're in the negative, in the red, and they still have the trade open. Either way, I was able to catch a drop, catch a dip, that is, and make over 30% profit just in today's trading session. And so if you want to learn how to make money when the market is going down or when it's going up, then I highly recommend, try to look into doing some trading. I will tell you that trading is very, very stressful at times. It's very, very tough, and it's one of those things to where it may take months and even years to just get pretty decent at it. I've been doing this over 3 years, and I'm just finally getting profitable now here in the recent months. And so it's just kind of one of those things where it happens that way sometimes. But the flip side of it is, think about it, with let's say you got $10,000 that you're trading with, and you make a 30% increase. Do you realize that's $3,000 in one day? That's 30%. 30% of $10,000 is $3,000. That's pretty decent. A lot of times people don't make that in a whole month, and you can make that in just one trading session. Some folks say, oh, well, you over leveraging and this and that. Not necessarily, because remember, I told you the market is crashing today. So therefore, you don't have to over leverage and take unnecessary risk to make that kind of money and make that kind of return. So, but I will recommend that you learn trading. You can go to YouTube and look up some videos on just trading forex. I trade the foreign exchange forex market, but you can also trade the stock market as well, and you can also do option trading, futures. They're just all different things you can trade. But I will tell you, it just trust me when I tell you, it's not easy. It can be stressful a lot of times. So you have to have a high risk tolerance. In my opinion, you just have to have a high risk tolerance. If you're risk averse, I would not recommend getting into trading, because it can definitely, just like the market can go down, it can definitely turn against you and go up, and which I know a lot of people want it to go up, but unfortunately, that's not how it works. It doesn't just go up because you wishing and want it to go up. It's just how the market is. But I highly recommend that. As I stated before, over 30% profit in just one day, and of course, my account is up over 30% for the week, even though I had 3 losing trading days, and it's still up. So that's something to consider. And lastly, I want to talk to you about crypto. The last time when I did a video, I mentioned one of the particular tokens I was invested in is called LCX. LCX, you can look it up. You can Google it on the internet, and you can look it up. And it pumped 40% on yesterday, 40% increase on yesterday. And so I've been dollar cost averaging into this particular token for the last few weeks. And when I got that 40% profit, I took some profits yesterday. A lot of times people, they have this mindset, to buy and hold forever. I don't take that same approach. I'm in crypto to make money, just like I'm in forex to make money. So I took some profits, not all of it. I don't recommend ever cashing out on all your assets, but I took some profits, and the same thing applies. If you had $1,000 and it went up 40%, that's $400 off $1,000. If you had $10,000, that's $4,000. If you have $100,000, that's $40,000 profit off of one token. And remember, people are calling crypto a bear market now. So imagine making that kind of return during a bear market, which means that it's down. Bull market means it's up. Bear market means it's down. And so even though the market is considered to be in a bear market, I made 40% profit on one token, and I took some profits. And what did I do with those profits? I didn't go and splurge or go to the beach or whatever. No, I took those profits and I reallocated it into other tokens that I'm looking at or I'm investing in dollar cost. And another one that I'm looking into, and I may do a video on this one as well, is Quant, QNT. That's one of my long-term holds, Quant, QNT. Look that token up, because I'm telling you, that token has the ability to be huge in the near future. Huge. It's down, way down from its all-time highs in the low 60s now, low $60. But it was over $400 at its all-time high. And some people are projecting it to be, go up to $5,000 and $10,000. I mean, either way, this is a long-term hold for me. So, I took some profits from LCX and I reallocated some of it into buying Quant as well as some other tokens. And so this is how you win. This is how you win in the bear market. This is how you win when the market is crashing. You learn how to short the market, sell, make money when it's selling. And then you also learn how to, like, when you get profits and stuff, say from crypto and or from your trading, you take some of that money and you reallocate it to some of the assets and some of the projects that's currently been down, because as with anything else, it's not going to always remain a bear market, just like it's not going to always remain a bull market. Things are not going to always go up and things are not going to always go down. And the way you win in trading and investing is you buy low when you're investing, and when it comes to trading, when it's going down, you short it. You sell when it's going down, and you buy when it's going up. I mean, it's two, and it's interesting. It's two different mindsets: investing versus trading, and I do both. So that kind of gives you an idea of the kind of person I am. But I like it. I love the challenge, and I'm going to be sharing more strategies and techniques, in the next coming video. So, anyways, I appreciate you for taking the time to look at this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Tell people about the channel. I'm going to be bringing more content on trading, forex in particular, and investing in cryptocurrency, because I believe that those two things combined together is a winning strategy. And I want you to win. I'm winning, and I want you guys to win as well. So thank you for your time. This is your boy Ray, maybe about to sign off. Until next time, peace.